Panibagong araw, panibagong vlog tayo mga master. Breaking news tayo master kay Secretary Mideldia, no? Regarding kay Tatay Digong. Pakinggan natin mga master.
I hope he is in a hospital somewhere, but not in this facility.
He is allowed, according to ICC regulations, any detainee is allowed to communicate. Has he communicated to any of you?
None.
Zero, sir.
We don't have any opportunity. We don't know where he is right now. He doesn't have any. He doesn't even have his medicines with him.
Pero doon siya sa ambulance sumakay?
Sinakay siya sa ambulance, binigay lang namin yung mga records yun sa kanya. And sabi, he will be well taken care of.
Right.
And we will be informed immediately of the name of the hospital. But hanggang ngayon, nakakalungkot at ganito ginagawa nila.
So, Sec,